Hello, our art friend. Today in Kitty Can Draw, we are going to learn how to draw Buddy from SuperKitties. So let's start drawing. First, draw a curved line at the top and make it slightly tilted. Draw an upside down letter V on each side for the ear. And draw a triangular shape in each ear. Connect the two ears with a large half circle to complete the face outline. Make sure it's a large face so it could fit all the face features. To make the eye, draw a large circle inside the face on the left side. Then draw a smaller circle inside for the iris. And another smaller one inside for the pupil. Draw a half circle over the eye with a pointy end on the left side for the eyelashes. Color the pupil, leaving a white spot to show light reflection. Then color the eyelashes. Repeat the same steps on the other side for the other eye. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. To make the mask, draw an upside down letter V over the left eye. Then draw a small horizontal line in the middle. Then make another upside down letter V over the right eye. Extend the curved line coming down from the letter V on each side. Extend this line to make a half circle under each eye. Then connect them together in the middle with a curved line. Repeat this step again inside the mask to make a double line. Draw a triangular shape under the mask in the middle to make the nose. Then draw two half circles coming down from the nose to make the mouth. Draw a curved line coming out from the right side of the face at the bottom, going slightly up. Draw a similar one on the other side. To complete the arms, draw another curved line under each one. Finish the arms by drawing a fist on each side. Extend the line coming down from each arm for the sides of the body. Close them at the bottom with a horizontal line and another horizontal line above it to make the belt. Draw a rectangle in the middle of the belt. And another smaller rectangle inside to make the buckle. Draw a wavy line coming down from the left side of the body with a curved letter V facing sideways at the end. Draw a diagonal line coming down from the right side of the body. Draw a small horizontal line at the end of each line. Draw a curved line going up to finish the left leg, and a diagonal line on the right side to finish the right leg, and connect them together in the middle. Decorate each leg with a couple of stripes. And decorate the arms as well. Draw a curved line coming down from the right side of the body, and another similar one next to it, then connect them together at the end to finish the tail. Draw a heart in the middle of the chest, then draw a square around it to finish the bag. Decorate the suit with double lines on each side. To make Buddy's significant fur, draw 2 zigzag lines on the forehead, and another zigzag line on each side of the face. Then draw 2 zigzag lines on the tail, one near the body and one near the end. Perfect! Now you can draw Buddy from SuperKitties. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface, while coloring, leave a small line without color, or use a white pen or pencil over your colors. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.